Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bernard of I'm Bernardo. Don't be a stranger and click subscribe. This video will mostly be in Filipino, so if you cannot understand Filipino, then please turn on the caption. Let's start.
Okay, so this is AMMOON AGM02. I'm using this audio interface as I'm doing this voiceover. I have always used the black box thing phantom power for my contents, and I can hear no significant difference from the two. Both of them makes my mic works very well. The mic that I'm using is the cheap BM800, which will cost you around $8 or 400 pesos. I have reviewed this mic in another video if you want to check it out. I really like how it was packed. The item is very safe. Alright, inside the box we get the audio interface, then underneath this foam is a compartment for the accessories. We will get this warranty card which has a QR code which will direct us to their website when scanned. A USB cord to connect the audio interface to our computer. Then we will get this non-slip rubber thingy to prevent the device from slipping. And lastly, the manual. So here's the audio interface. It's actually small and it's around 5 inches. All the knobs and stuff are in the front, except for the port for the cord. Okay, so we have two inputs. The other one is for the mic and the other one is for the guitar if you want to use a guitar. The knobs feels fine, it doesn't wiggle that much. And we have a phantom power button here. Here we can adjust the highs and lows, then we can pan left and right.
Okay, sa audio test naman tayo. Or meron tayong adjustable na high, low, and itong pan. So, pag tinaas natin yung high, so magiging ganito yung boses natin. Mas magiging matinis. Pero yung mga noise is lalakas din. Try naman natin yung low is itaas natin. So, ganito yung mangyayari sa boses nyo. Para siyang magiging mas muddy, mas ma-bass. Parang ganun. So, depende lang siguro sa inyo kung paano nyo siya titimplahin, kung ano yung mas babagay sa boses nyo. Pero yung sa akin kasi, dun sa software na ginagamit ko pag nagre-record ako, meron ng equalizer dun, so hindi ko na kailangan gawin to. Tapos yung pan left and right naman is yung pag gusto mo, pag for example, dalawang speakers lang naririnig or pag naka-headset sila, naka-headphones, mga ganun. May left and right. So kung gusto mong, for example, yung second voice, for example lang, yung second voice mo is nasa left. So, itataas mo lang siya para pumunta sa left yung boses ng second voice. Tapos kung gusto mo naman sa right, so, ganyan siya, mapupunta siya sa right. Okay, so yung price nito is nasa mga 2,000 pesos, mga ganun, 2,000 pataas. In case may nakalimutan ako, ilalagay ko na lang sa description or sa comment box. Tapos ipin ko. Pag may mga tanong kayo, i-comment nyo lang sa comment box and binabasa ko naman lahat ng mga comments. So, babasahin ko yun and I'll answer kung alam ko yung sagot. Okay, so yun lang naman siguro. Thank you for watching. Keep safe everyone and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.